Hello children, my name is Mr. Victor and I'm excited to be with you once again. Now today we are going to be learning how to use a very wonderful educational software called the Sebran software. So at the end of today's lesson, we'll be able to identify the Sebran software, we'll be able to launch the Sebran software, navigate the interface of the Sebran software, explore the activities on the Sebran software. Now some of us might be wondering, what is Sebran? Sebran is an educational software for young children. It includes various interactive games and activities designed to teach fundamental skills such as basic math, spelling, memorization, shapes, and even colors. So this Sebran software is a wonderful software that I'm introducing you to, and I'm going to show you how to navigate through the interface of this wonderful application. Now while we use this application, we'll be learning how to solve simple mathematics, we'll be learning how to identify different objects, and also we'll be learning how to pick pictures, and also we'll be learning a bit of typing. Yes, this software is a very fun software, and let's go straight into launching the Sebran application. So now the first thing we need to do is to make sure that we have the Sebran software installed on your computer. The link to download the Sebran software will be in the description of this video. All you just need to do is just click on it. It will take you to the page where you download the Sebran software. After downloading the Sebran software, you should have the shortcut of the software installed on your desktop page. You should have it on your desktop page just like this. This is the Sebran software. I can drag it and put it here. Look at it here. So if you don't have it, if you don't have the shortcut of the software on your desktop page, it is fine. We can still search for it on our computer by going to our Start. Click on the Start, then you type the name of the software, Sebran, S-E-B-R-A-N, and look at it here. This is the Sebran software. So you click on it, and it makes you click on it. Yes, this is the interface of this wonderful application. So you can see the different activities we have here. We have how many, we have add, we have subtract, we have multiply, we have pick a picture, first letter, memories, word memory, and and so on. So what I want you to do is to navigate through this software and choose any activity you want. Just have fun with it. So the first one I just want us to just explore. We'll just explore one or two, then I'll leave you to enjoy the software yourself. So I'll click on the first one, which is how many. Now we have here how many cards. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 cards. So what you just need to do is you move your mouse cursor to number 6 and you left click on it. Now I believe before now we've learned the mouse. We said the mouse is used to select, it's used to drag and drop. So when we are using this software, we are going to be using our left click. So the left click of the mouse is what you use to select the answer. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's number 7? And this is number 7 right here. So we click on it. Yes, so you can continue on and on and on. Let's try another activity. Let's go to pick a picture. So what do we have here? We have bell. Is this a bell? No, this looks like a staircase. This is a house. This is a bunny. This is the bell. So what you do, you move the mouse cursor to the bell and click on it. Let's answer another one. Hot dog. Okay, this is not a hot dog. This is umbrella. There's a candle, bucket, and this is the hot dog here. So I want you to explore this application. It will help you master how to use the mouse. So let's do one more activity before I show you something else. So let's work with add. So what do we have here? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, we have 3, we have 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what do? We move the mouse cursor to number 4 and you click on it. Excellent. 4 plus 5 is what? 9. And this is number 9 right here. So guys, I want you to download this application and have fun with it. So apart from the Sebran application, I just want to show you how to shut down your computer. I know that some of us might not know how to shut down the computer. We already know that the power button is used to turn on your computer. So how do you shut down your computer? What you just need to do is to go to your Start, and making you click on your Start, you will see this power icon here. When you click on it, you will go to shut down, and that is how you shut down your computer. Alright guys, I believe you enjoyed today's class. Please and please, I want you to watch the video and download the Sebran application. I want you to explore the activities that we have on the application. And in the description, you have your quizzes. Please make sure you attempt the quizzes, and I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.